What's the cybernetic approach to communication? Let's explore. The term cybernetics was first coined by French physicist André-Marie Ampère in the 19th century as a science of governance. It was later expanded by Norbert Wiener, who initially focused on practical wartime applications. He founded a broader theory leading to some amazing advancements in robotics, computer science, and systems theory. The cybernetic perspective on communication is really important for sociologists because it helps us understand how information is processed and accessed in systems. The more relevant information that flows through these systems, connecting them, the more efficient they become. Information flow is obstructed, for example, due to malfunctioning channels or other reasons, the entire system may suffer. This issue is relevant not only in interpersonal communication but also at organizational levels or even across entire communities and globally. Imagine the consequences if you are unable to effectively communicate and respond to critical issues like climate change. It's like trying to steer a ship through the unpredictable ocean. This is the essence of cybernetics, derived from the Greek word kybernetikos, which means being able to steer. Just as steering implies direction and control, ethikos from ethos suggests ethics, the pursuit of what is good and good character. This is the very heart of cybernetics in communication, steering towards the good or good steering. Who do we aim to control and why? How does this influence our communication experiences? Let's explore its history and significance together. Just picture your brain as a really clever control system, receiving all kinds of signals, sounds, scents, sights, and sensations of heat or cold. It's always working out which changes are important and how to respond. That sudden smell of smoke might be your dinner burning, so it's time to rush to the kitchen. Or a tremor under your feet could be an earthquake warning, so it's time to find safety. But not all changes need you to take action. The noise from street repairs might be easy to tune out while you focus on your work. Similarly, a tremor under your feet in countries outside of earthquake zones like Poland, Germany, or the UK might also be overlooked. This is so important. Your brain is like a controller making sense of all the different things you see and hear and deciding what to do next. Let's involve now Plato and picture a carriage symbolizing a virtuous and fulfilling life, pulled by two horses, one black and one white. These horses represent the dual aspect of our nature. The white horse symbolizes our aspirations and higher values such as ethical behavior and long-term achievements, while the black horse represents our basic immediate needs. Our brain, acting as chariot, must guide these forces to ensure that our immediate desires and good impulses do not derail our long-term goals. We must not finish in the abyss, but we must prioritize effectively. So, cybernetics is fundamentally about maintaining balance and ensuring the effective functioning of systems within complex environments. It requires constant response and adjustment. In physiology, cybernetics is used to regulate human actions. It integrates artificial limbs with brain function, demonstrating its application in both organizational and biological systems to enhance communication and control. Similarly, in organizational contexts such as large corporations or governments, individuals such as managers play a pivotal role akin to a governor in a cybernetic system. They are bombarded with data including performance metrics, requests, decisions about staffing or contracts. They must filter, interpret, and act effectively. Let's consider the state level. For instance, imagine a governor overseeing a state response to a natural disaster. The politicians must obtain relevant information such as real-time weather forecasts, population demographics, and resource availability to adjust our actions such as ordering evacuations, allocating emergency funds, and coordinating rescue efforts effectively. It is crucial to keep communication channels clear to ensure that vital information passes through without distortion. This will be further explored through the Shannon model. To summarize, according to Norbert Wiener, cybernetics is the science of control and communication in the animal and machine. This control is about understanding and managing systems. It's about enabling power through informed decisions. To summarize, according to Norbert Wiener, cybernetics is the science of control and communication in the animal and machine. This control is about understanding and managing systems. It's about enabling power through informed decisions. Next, let's explore what happens when we merge cybernetics with informatics. Stay tuned for the next part of the lecture.